Hi guys, Zetterström here, super street bike racer in Europe. I'm here with my team. We are putting together engines, we are finishing the bike, we're doing everything we can this weekend. We have our tuner here, Arto from Finland. He is helping us out finishing the bike for dynoing and hopefully testing later on. So yeah, it's full workshop mode in here now. Everybody is working, and we were here all last night and yesterday, just trying to get as much possible done on the bike and doing a long day today and see how far we come. So yeah, come on in and we can check some out. We can go over here and I can show you a bit what we did yesterday. So Kim put an engine together. We have one more that's almost finished, it's only missing the head. So we will have 2 engines for testing and dynoing, and then we have 2 more that we could use for next season. I don't think we will be using all of them this year because the season will be short. So this is almost finished, and we could check over here. This is where we work on the heads. We got new camshafts from webcams, and we will just make sure everything is tight and good now. And then put them on the engines. That is machining spacers for the holders, for the intercooler, to hold it down so that it doesn't come up when we add boost. Here we're adding some sensors and making some upgrades. So the guys are working on the electronics here, and Kim is working on the new cable clutch. So we will be running a cable clutch this year, so mechanical clutch instead of a hydraulic that we've been using earlier. So there's some work with that also, and it will be new and exciting. Jag ska hämta mig. So here's also something new for us this year. This is like an add-on for the clutch. This runs with air, so we can run air through this and add on to the clutch to make sure it's locked up. We use it later on the run, like further down track, to make sure it gets real tight, and hopefully this will improve and prevent slip further out. We've added the new intake manifold also, added a sensor for this one. We always have it, but it wasn't on the new one when we got it. We haven't been able to start with this yet, but this will be a new exhaust manifold for the new turbo. So this is the collector we have for it. For those of you that have been asking about this cool shirt I got, it's from Redline Ace, and I will put down the link for it and a code for discount. You get 10% off at all of their shirts. They have really cool ones, the girl power ones, and shirts like these, long sleeve. Check them out. And also I have my shirts here, which you can find in our web shops at our website, and we will right now give 50% of all the profits from the shirts directly to the racetracks in Europe. So you just choose which track you want to donate the money to, and we will send them there. So you just write it in the comment when you order the shirt, and I'll fix the rest. And yeah, thanks for helping. Over here we have the other engine. So this is almost done. We're missing a head. We're missing the head gasket for this. So when we get that, we can put this one together also. We'll have 2. We also have yeah, there's parts all over, but we have one more there, and that one is not finished, and the fourth one is in the bike, but that one is not finished either, but it's just so we can fit everything. So we got the fairings back from Lux Center, who has redone the surface of them, and they have secured or re-strengthened the parts that have been starting to get, you know, a little weak. So they are all in, of course, nice new clear coat and coloring, and they're all black on the back side, which will look pretty cool when you look from outside, because before they were white, you know, and white on a racetrack usually isn't white for that long. And also they actually became lighter after they took them down and re-strengthened them, so really nice. Okay, now we're finally fitting the turbo on the bike. So Dad is working on the new manifold, and Kim is helping him out, fitting it in and getting turbo in place. So if you just check here. So Dad, what are we doing?
We tried to fit a 4-to-1 collector with a V-band flange, because this new turbo has other flange. The other one has like T3, T4. It's really a big flange. But these new Exona turbos has a V-band flange, and it's really nice if you can get it fitted to the bike. So we special ordered a really nice piece here. It's a 4-to-1 collector billet in stainless steel, and we just try to get it fitted to the bike. It's really hard to get it around here, and we have a bunch of stuff to get around. But if we just
have some patience,
yeah, we can make it happen. So, and we have the front wheel really close here, so we just have to decide where to fit the turbo. We have to lower it a little bit instead of the other turbo we have on the bike, but I don't think it's gonna be any problem because we have a really nice scavenging pump. So we see in a couple of days if we have made a new manifold. Hopefully it's up welded, and we can start running the bike with a new turbo, and we think it's gonna make a lot of horsepower if we got this right, but we see.
Yeah, we like to try things that may work. If it doesn't, we go back to something else, but I think if we can make this work, it will be good for us, and we can make some good horsepower, so why not try it? We'll keep you updated on how it goes. So, the new Sonar Rotor turbo that we're adding, it's a bigger turbo than the turbo we've been running before. What we want to do is we want to be able to use more power on the same amount of boost that we've been running. This, even though it's a bigger turbo than we have had before, it's still a lightweight turbo, which is great. And with this added speed sensor, we get a lot of good data, which is beneficial for tuning, which is also great. So, with all this new setup, we're really hoping that we could maybe break into the sixes finally, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting, so tag along and we hope for the best.
Hi! This is the shop dog.
Nej.
Her name is Wilma. Has been around for 13 years. She's old, sleep a lot, but she's my best friend. Okay, sorry, 12 years. But you seem to be like 30. Oh, now you show off.
Yeah, they were really smart when they got the white dog to be in the garage.
Yeah.
So
And usually when they run the dyno, she just sneak up under the dyno bench and she want to be around. She's like a shop dog.
Kim is taking a break to smoke and water the new lawn. Ah! Important things, you know. So here we got some more trophies. This is from my super street bike years, and actually some of these are from the junior dragsters. And we can move over to more junior dragster trophies. This is like 04, 05 up to 09. And here are Kim's trophies. So this is some of the Super Street Bike, Pro Street Bike, and also from when he raced his dad's Camaro on the street race here. And Dad has some trophies here also from when he raced Pro Stock car back in the late 80s, early 90s. And here is the diploma for our Super Street Bike Championship. The real big trophy is actually inside, so we can see it every day. And this is also something that I'm actually very proud of. This was a really fun award to get. It's from DP Racing, the special award of 2019. It was awarded to the driver that they thought had shown most improvement over a year. So this was a surprise award and I got so excited. So this one I'm proud of. You get beer when you're done, and Kim is done, so he can get as many beers as he wants.
Yeah, I'm done for the day.
Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you follow this channel if you want to see more stuff. Let me know if there's anything special you want to see. I will also post the links to our other channels down here, our Facebook page, our Instagram, all our social media stuff. And you can just follow us along if you want to see more, especially on the Instagram page. That's where I post all the juicy stuff. That's where I post all the behind the scenes when we go to the racetracks. I post about my everyday life, our jet ski rides, and just stuff like that. So if you want to tag along and see more, that would make me really happy. And yeah, just let me know if you want to see something special. And take care, wash your hands, have a great weekend, and I hope I see you soon. Bye!